Careers in the trades are something that are always going to be there. There is a nationwide or worldwide shortage of people going into the trades. It's really hard to find good people that want to work in the trades because there's a lot of people retiring and there's no newcomers coming in to fill those positions. And it's an epidemic worldwide. People just aren't going into the trades. A lot of kids, go to a 4-year college, they get out of college with a big debt to pay off and they can't find a job or they're underemployed. In this industry, you can go to tech school for 2 years and do in-house training, and you can easily make, $70,000, $80,000 a year.
It's not like so typical all the time. You're not going into every day doing the same thing all the time. So, you don't get accustomed to being bored.
Every day is something different. You always get to use your brain. It's not a one-track field. You troubleshoot, you're fixing, you're pleasing customers, you're making everybody happy.
You go somewhere new every day. You're never stagnant in an office and, get to move around.
Years ago, it used to be very dirty, grubby work. Nowadays, it's a lot of technical stuff, a lot of electronics, computerized equipment. It's really come a long way from what it used to be.
They've been patient with me as I've been learning, and all the guys that I work with have been patient explaining everything to me. Everyone here is just great to work with and very helpful.
Sanford makes you well-rounded, so they'll send you to what training you're needing, they're paying for it, and they just make you great, give you the knowledge and the background to help you advance.
When I first started, it wasn't easy because I didn't know anything, but surprisingly, you learn quickly and people will work with you. But that's the best way to learn, is just on the job and just getting your hands dirty and stuff like that. They're very open to that. That's like the way that they train mostly.
They don't let you stop, they don't let you plateau. As long as you want, as long as you got a hunger, they'll keep advancing your knowledge and they'll keep feeding you.
I think that all of our employees have come in here and once they get comfortable with us, they realize that this is a nice place, that we really truly care about our employees.
We treat our people like family. We try to be a big family organization. All of our employees are treated like our kids, more or less. They're our family.
It is very much, we're all in it together. We all want to get to know each other, work well together, because we know what happens when we all work well together. And I love that about Sanford. It's so hard to explain, but once you're in it, you know it. And it feels great. I love coming to work every day.
One of the things I like about coming here to work every day is interacting with my coworkers. The people here are great. We got a great team spirit. We help each other. We help each other learn and grow. We have a lot of fun doing it. We crack a lot of jokes, but we get the job done.
Dale and Ellen and everyone else is great to work for, and they care. You're not just a number, and it's just a great place to be.
We pay very good wages, probably above average for this area, good benefits. We have a lot of fun too. We like to have fun. We do a lot of company outings. We do deep sea fishing trips, picnics.
Every once in a while we all go out into the parking lot, we cook up some burgers and hot dogs, and we just kind of hang out for an hour or two. And it gives us a chance to relax and have some social interactions outside of the daily grind.
We allow people to take time off to be with their families if they need to, because it's very important.
I'm married, got a kid, buying a house. There's time that last minute I have to take off work. They understand it. They carry us on fishing trips, do little cookouts, things like that kind of brings you together, so you're not just, I'm dreading coming to work today. It's really nice, very comfortable feel. As long as you get your work done, everything goes smoothly, so that's always nice.
To anyone who is thinking about getting into the industry, or someone that is thinking about making this kind of a jump, it can be extremely rewarding if you're in the right spot with the right company.
It's really about being personable, getting along with people, and really having a drive to learn.
If you don't have the technical, we can train that, but we need the personality to match who we are as a culture.
The only thing this company looks for is just honesty, good hard workers, and somebody that wants to strive to be more.
And I would say that if you're somebody that's looking to get into that kind of an atmosphere where it's respectful, you're hardworking, and you want to be appreciated, but at the same time you want to bust your hump for the company that you're working with to earn a buck and to be happy, this is the place for you. It truly is.
It's a great, a great chance to have a good career. And it is a career because basically most everybody that goes into HVAC stays with it. And you can get a job anywhere in the world that you want to. If you're a good technician, there's always jobs, there always will be. So, it's not something that can be outsourced. It's here to stay.